this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do the bass drop effect in Premiere Pro. First, we are going to create an adjustment layer. Select new item and then click on adjustment layer. With the adjustment layer created, you're going to click and drag that onto the timeline. And then select the adjustment layer, head over to effects and then search for transform. And then you're going to click and drag the transform effect onto the adjustment layer. Head over to effects controls. And then you're going to change the scale value to 120. And then head over to your timeline and then move 3 frames ahead. Make sure you zoom in so you can see what you are working on. And then select the razor tool and then make a cut right where you have the playhead. After making a cut, I'm going to select the selection tool and get rid of the remaining part of the adjustment layer. Now what you are going to do with the clip is to place it wherever you hear the bass. So I'm going to cut this or copy it from here and then paste it right here. So there's a bass drop right here. When I unmute this and play this back. So all you need to do is to place the adjustment layer wherever you hear the bass. And then after doing that, when I play this back, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and also do well to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.